Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Varma. You get daily job notification as well as interview tips, career guidance in our channel. If you have come first time in our channel, please subscribe. And we have also opened the Telegram channel, and you will find that link in the description box. You can join there and discuss your problem there. I will try to solve, and also you can comment your doubts in the comment box of any of these videos. You can check many of videos in our channel Job Updates by Varma. Let's start this video. I'm going to discuss about important job notification which has come from ABB. They are hiring for Global Early Talent Program. CTC is 7 LPA. We will discuss all details, registration process, how to give the examination, all details we will going to discuss here. Stay tuned with me. So ABB is basically the full form of ABB is Asia Brown Brewery. It's a Swedish Swiss multinational company which is headquartered in Zurich. So basically the degree required for this drive is B Tech, ME Tech. These four batches are eligible. Batch eligibility is 2021. Salary they have mentioned is 7 LPA. So the program name is basically Global Early Talent Program, GETP. Okay. So basically the working location they are hiring for is Bangalore. Okay. The job notification they have described that this is a Global Early Talent Program for information system role. So the Global Early Talent Program is in the information system. You will get hands-on experience in that. This program is made up based on 3 assignments in the information systems, like function in different roles, like decided based on business availability and trying to match your own aspirations as much as possible. So 1 6 months assignment in your home country as an introduction to the business. In the second 6 months, you will get another assignment abroad to get an overview of ABB's operation in different environment, in different team. And in the 1 6 to 12 month, that is the third half. Okay. Third half assignment, you will be back to the home country and home business where you will deepen your knowledge in the business and your function including the operation. So during the last assignment, they have mentioned the participant will meet in Zurich, Switzerland for a week of training focused on leadership competencies development. So after 1 year, you are getting chance to move to abroad for technical training in Zurich and Switzerland. So it's a high opportunity, high growable job. It is the last rotation will also be in the time where the participants start to look for their final position to be started after the end of the program. So your responsibilities mainly in these three domain: IS service delivery, IS architecture, and IS security. IS means information system. So basically they're looking for the qualification who have done recent graduation, or they who are involved in master's level in information technology or information systems. Previous initial work experience in information system function can be considered also. Proficiency in English required, other language plus point. Excellent written and oral communication skill. You have team set, team spirit. Then they are very open to new ideas. So you just need to click on apply link. It will redirect to the career page of ABB. It's a Bangalore based location. They are hiring full-time regular permanent job it is. So once again you are getting chance to go through this notification. You can check that during the last assignment you will meet in Zurich and Switzerland for a week of training. So you can get a chance to move abroad for after 1 year. Okay. So best chance I will ever say. Just click on apply now button, and 7 LPA is quite large, good salary also. So if you just click on apply now button, then the registration form will be open to you. You have to upload your resume, your profile information, your name, email address, mobile, country, city, then click on next, then other experiences like educational details, professional experience, those you need to fill and simply apply. So these are the steps and these are the job I'm discussing about. So just apply this and let me know if you find any challenge. And also after getting the admit card of the first round, please let me know that uh, in which step they are going to take the online round. It is not cleared in their website that how this online test will be scheduled. So after registration you will be getting the idea through the mail that what are the rounds they will take. Definitely these three rounds will occur, like online round, aptitude coding round, and information technical interview, information system based, and HR interview. So all the best guys, try to apply. Last date is not mentioned. As soon as you apply, you are getting higher chance of selection in the online round. So thanks for watching this video, and please hit the subscribe button if you really find this helpful, and hit the like button and share this news with your friends. Take care guys, we will meet in next video with new job updates.